Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Tubi app. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here we search about the application of Tubi and we click. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Tubi and then you will update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you.